Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ellie Avalon, and if you are new here, welcome to the fam, I guess you could say. I create a few different types of videos on my channel, and everything from home renovation to fashion, a little bit more about the fact that I'm LGBT, and also going into like mental health and the fact that I'm adopted as well. So yeah, I try and give you a range of me and my life, but a lot of the videos I've been doing recently as well have been around decorating and like house renovation, mostly because I did my bedroom up at my parents' house. And also I've got another announcement to make in this video, as you can probably tell by the title. But yeah, I'm really excited to tell you all. Some people may already know if they follow me on social media, but me and my girlfriend have finally moved in together, and we've got a little flat and it's perfect, and we've done it all up to like how we wanted, and like painted for days on end, and gone and bought loads of like little bits and bobs just to make it feel really like special and homely, and had some lovely gifts bought for us as well. And yeah, this video is just kind of gonna document us moving in, us doing a lot of like the renovations or painting, like before and after. So if you love a before and after, please stay tuned. We've got a lot of that to come. So yeah, if you enjoy seeing things come together, then please carry on watching. I hope you enjoy it. I've just packed up my car with the start of the kitchen. Oh, I've got the shakes. I think it's because I'm excited. I've packed up my car with the start of the kitchen stuff. Sarah's just setting off with her stuff that she's moved out of her uni house. And yeah, we're on our way. So very excited. I don't know what to say. I think I'm a bit speechless because on our way to our home. So we're finally starting to move some stuff in, very slowly but surely. We're doing just like one last clean around. Obviously with everything going on with Corona time, I just want to make sure that everything's like 100% clean. So we're just zafloring loads of stuff with this unicorn dust smell, which smells like Parma violets. It's incredible. And some anti-bac wipes. So I'm just doing like all the insides of the cupboards. And yeah, all is going well. We're doing some decorating today. So this is the bedroom before. We're just getting rid of the little shelf thing here because we never use it. And yeah, this is the room. We've moved everything into this. So there's the bed and the mattress. So Sarah's done all the skirting boards. These are the two products I'd recommend to use if you're doing your skirting boards. The frog tape is amazing and just helps you get a nice crisp line, and you can get it at most hardware stores or places like The Range in the UK. These are the two paints we used to do the bedroom. 3 of the walls were with the white, and we also used it on the ceiling, and the grey colour is the same that I used at my parents' house, and we've just done like a statement wall here. And I find that this works really nicely if you're not planning on buying a headboard, because it just adds a bit of colour to the room. Use the frog tape again just to map out the area. Sarah's doing some painting, and I've decided I'm going to paint this little shelf that our cutlery things hang on, so it sits there. And painted this IKEA shelf using the same paint that we use for the skirting boards, and the same as the shelf that you can see there, just so it flowed a bit nicer and matched. And this is the finished product, and we're really happy with it. The bottles worked really nicely to balance out the weight of the cutlery as well, so it didn't fall over. The grand reveal. Look how white the doors are. We went a little bit extra on some bits because the previous painters had gone on the door with that colour, if that makes sense. So we were like, if we go a bit extra, then we can always put some tape down. So this is each colour as it is. And we've done a white patch down here as well, so that we can test and whether it's worth doing white on top first. I forgot to do a video, but we worked out that it was best to do a coat of white first to make the pink really pop, because the green was kind of distorting the colours. So Sarah's just doing the first coat now. So I've done all the cleaning at this bit of the room today, cleaned the carpet, and now we've got our new dining table. Well excited. Joe's just taking it out now because the delivery driver really, you know, nicely said to us that it probably isn't broken. Like, great odds. Watch this space. And we decided to go for the Delicate Blossom by Wilko, and we got it in the durable matte just so that if any was scuff marks or anyone like walked past and nudged the wall, it would be a lot easier to clean. We started off by just doing all the edging and taped off with our favourite thing, frog tape. Just an update, we've done our first coat of the pink and we've decided to do up to there. And then we're gonna possibly do that end wall as well. Keep all of this wall white, and then down here possibly grey, and then that bit would be grey as well. Updates in the kitchen, we've got a new toaster, little Breville one, and a matching kettle that goes blue when you turn it on. Got this little new caddy for all of our stuff just to keep it a bit tidy next to the sink. And I can't remember if I filmed this yet, but we got this the other day just to put some spices on once we've got little jars for them. And I think that's pretty much it in terms of updates. We've also just bought these little velvet boxes from the range for $4.99. They don't fit perfectly, but we're quite happy with how they look anyway because they just look really cute and pretty. And we decided to put that up over here, and we got some new coasters that you can't really see, but they're like iridescent, so they glow like rainbowy colours, you can kind of see there. And then the coasters have got our little Buddha planter on for now. So yeah, here she is again, the absolute trooper, doing coat number 2 for our gorgeous pink paint. Get it, Lulu? We've just got our radiator cover that's gonna go on that radiator there. Just need to put it together and decide how to paint it, and then we'll be low in life. We've just taken everything out of here so that when my dad comes to help us paint the ceiling tomorrow, it'll be a lot easier. Everything looks really bare again. Another day, another load of painting. Love it. Same. I'm working really hard, as you can all see. Just moving on the surface so we can get all the covers on everything and get this ceiling done. Brilliant edging skills. If there's one thing I can take from doing all this painting, it's that cleaning all your brushes like really fast after you've finished painting is really important, just to make sure that you don't get all the paint staying in your trays and stuff. We bought some plastic inserts and they were really useful, but we still cleaned them all really, really well, and it meant that we could use them again and again with no problems. And in here, just getting a tidy up now. John's giving it a 10 out of 10 Hoover.
Sure, there's nothing that shouldn't be here.
We still need to do our pink coat and also do a coat of gloss down there, but we can do that another day. Woohoo!
Hello.
Our grand reveal, we decided to invite my mum and dad back over. This was a couple of days later and we'd bought some bits and bobs and wanted to show off all our hard work.
Oh, hello. How are you
Ellie
doing?
looks lovely in here. Let me take off my shoes.
Sure.
Oh, I look in here first.
Now, look.
Oh, Ellie looks wonderful. These curtains are really nice.
Mm-hmm.
They? Oh, they're
Yeah.
nice and
Need to sort that out.
Oh, they look great, Ellie.
Yeah.
It's nice. Isn't
Yeah, do you
it?
like
Is
it?
this new?
Yeah, got that from the range.
Oh, that's
£20.
Was it? That's
Yeah.
really good.
It's so sweet. P, and do you like our little, look at our little lights?
Oh, don't they look so cute? That's
And then we've got loads more clips to put obviously pictures of us.
Yes.
Have you seen our plant up there?
Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, it's lovely. And you've got a great big TV.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Right, now the big reveal.
Ellie, it looks amazing.
What do you think of this entrance hall colour, by the way?
Yes, it's lovely, darling.
Yeah?
Really nice.
You like it?
Yes, I do. It's quite it's sort of,
Hello.
I don't know,
Looks
grey, or colour would just say
Grey.
it was. It's grey, isn't it?
Yeah, please say it's grey.
Oh, lovely, Ellie.
Look at this is good.
Oh, yeah, that's amazing. I love that, Ellie.
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic. And these curtains. What else?
That way round, yeah.
Yeah, oh, they look lovely.
There's the dining area.
Fabulous.
In bed,
Oh, and all
but
this pink here. This is
do you like that? We painted
lovely.
that ourselves.
Yeah, it
Radiator
looks,
cover.
that looks awesome.
These are our new curtains.
I really
They're like
like
velvet.
Really nice. And this is lovely, all this here. Look, these chairs. Can I sit in one?
Yeah. See what you think.
Over here, compliment the doors.
Oh, this is lovely. Ellie, how am I dressing?
No one cares. Make yourself at home.
Isn't it? It's lovely.
You noticed any other new little bits and bobs?
Yeah, all the new pink cushions.
Yeah, anything else?
All these different colours. Oh, yes. That's lovely. Oh, this is clever, isn't it? Yes, and where'd you get that from?
Home bargains.
That's lovely.
Do you like our coffee station as well? Sarah's put on like a little mug holder, look. So all our mugs are hanging, and then we've got all our coffee pods.
Fabulous.
Great. And I love the way the room is better set out.
Sarah's just doing some last time.
Yes, I think it is much better
Yeah,
than it.
I do. I love it. Also had another really exciting arrival today, and it is Sarah's beer pump machine. It's so cool. It's a really nice, like creamy grey colour, as you can see, and you essentially get like these things called torps, and you can get different flavours, and she got a set with like Heineken ones in. Put it in here, and then it adds like the gas to it, so you can pull yourself a pint. So we're excited to film more of that. The bar and the coffee like section are coming together really nicely. I still need to touch up some of this paint and stuff. This is the drip tray that hooks onto it. And I brought over this the other day from my house. It was just like in my room. It's a bit dusty and needs sorting, but it looks really cute. And we got these the other day from Aldi. They're kind of like a creamy grey colour, and they've got bamboo lids, and you just pop them off, and we've just got them with some nuts and seeds for our breakfast cereal. Got some nice little bargains as well. We got these cushions for £2.99 from Pound Stretcher, and you would not think it. They're like really, they're not like the best quality in the world, but I would never think they were £3. Got these little bobbles on, and we got another one over there. This one's from Asda. We've got a grey one on the bed too. Got these from IKEA today. These cute little jars, they were £2 for 4. We're gonna put all our spices there, maybe get another set. We just wanted to test these first, and then we're gonna have like that as our little kind of spice rack. I got some glass bottles to put our squash in, just to make it look a bit tidier. So I'm gonna keep the light off just for a second so that you can properly see the little lights that we've put together. So these are the prints from my HP sprocket that Sarah got me, so you can see it. And you literally connect your phone to it, and then you just do these little prints, and they're like dead tiny. It's really, really cute. We've got some perfumes up there, and a card from my mum and dad. And then Sarah's got some LED lights that shine around the telly as well, which are really sick. How cute is that? So we've got this really cute little setup at the moment. I love it. And we've put like a pink teddy soft throw on there from Dunelm. I got a new sheet from Dunelm that's like got a waffle kind of effect to it, if you can see the texture there. And yeah, got some pink plain cushions from George at Asda. So one of our most recent purchases was these flowers from the range, which are really cute, in our little pot from Newbank Garden Centre, with this little tray I got from Beautify with some stuff I already had, and this little leopard was from Dunelm, I think, as well. And it's just to make these trunks we got from Beautify just stand out a little bit more as a bit of a decor item, and then we can use them for extra storage as well, which is really useful. We've also started to put together what will be the gallery wall, and we've got a couple of prints, but we're still deciding what order we want them to go in, and also just collecting a few different ones. These are some we put together on Canva, and the large one you can see here we got from Juicy Home. Thank you all for watching, and if you want to keep up with me, everything that's going on in my life, and also I forgot to mention as well, we started a little Instagram for our flat, so feel free to give us a follow on there. Be the first to see my newest videos. Please follow me on my Instagram. You can follow me on my Pinterest, my Facebook page, and this is my blog website as well. So I do like blogs about very similar things that are on my YouTube, and just some like fun things, like I did like a Father's Day gift one the other day to celebrate independent shops and things. So yeah, keep up with me, and I hope you all have a lovely week and stay safe. Bye.